Why do some people stay poor for years, even when they work hard every day? Many people spend all their money but never learn how money actually works. Poor habits grow slowly, like buying things just to feel happy for a moment. Most people trade time for money, but rich people make money work for them. Fear also keeps people poor. Fear of failing, fear of trying something new. Many people never invest in learning new skills. Entertainment becomes more important than education. Some people believe money problems are someone else's fault, but successful people take responsibility for improving their lives. They save money first instead of spending everything. They learn useful skills that increase their value. They think long-term, not just about today. Small, smart choices repeated daily can completely change life. Being poor is not only about money. Sometimes it starts in the mind. The moment you change your habits, your future starts changing too.